I like pointing that bright light around. I don't know if people will get pissed at me or not.
Are you filming?
It's bright, yeah.
Oh.
Hi, it's Dylan Moffat TV.
Hi, it's Dylan Moffat TV from the hit show Dylan Moffat TV, starring Dylan Moffat.
Yeah.
Moon.
Where is it? Oh shit. Probably don't know. Oh, I can. Yeah, you can see it. The power of the iPhone 4. Okay. Anyways, yes. Walking up an overpass.
Like a boss. Eating Subway like a boss.
Yup.
Walking with a bruise on my foot like a boss.
Such a retard.
Gotta work in like 12 hours like a boss. Only for 2 hours like a boss. Then go home and swim for 2 hours like a boss. Then go back to work for 3 hours. No, do it like right over.
Dude, I'm too scared. It's.
Yeah,
I haven't even had this phone for a week. Okay, right here. Right here. Holy shit. That's fucking scary. Dude, right here. Stop. Yeah, this one first. I want to get this truck first. It's coming like right at us. Oh, there's not even any trucks coming, dude.
You know what the Triforce logo is in Zelda?
Yes, I do.
Look up there. It's a fucking Triforce.
Where?
Holy Jesus, dude, no.
Dude, I don't see it. I don't see it. Where?
Look.
Where?
Straight out that, like, where all the cars are turning.
Yeah.
Do you see the triangle light?
I see 3 lights.
Yeah, like,
Okay, hold on.
bottom top. It's the Triforce. Look.
Hold on.
Wait, stop.
It's like
Right there.
those 3? It's just 3 lights, dude.
But, like, that's a, like,
I don't know. Wait, Zelda's a video game, right?
yeah,
Probably. Alright, so we have reached our destination. Probably can't see it. Subway.
And I've gotten in the routine of, I know you guys watch my videos. Do you want to sponsor me?